Okay, welcome to video number 2. So we're on to question 15. So here it says complete the ratio 5 to 25 in terms of 1 to something. So I've got to ask myself, what did I divide 5 by to get to 1? Well, I divided 5 by 5. So I'm going to have to do the same on the other side, okay? So if I do 25 divided by 5, I get 5. So that's my answer there. Same for this one. So I've got 4 to 16 as a beginning, and then I've got 1 here. Well, to get from 4 to 1, I divided by 4. So I'm going to have to do the same on the other side and divide by 4, and I get the number 4. So that's my answer, 1 to 4. Okay, next up, we're going to solve this equation. A little bit tougher, because obviously we are going to have to... We've got x on both sides, okay? We want all the x's on one side, we want all the numbers on the other. So let's start by taking the 2 away from this side. So we're going to take away 2 from this side to get rid of it, but we've got to do it on both sides. So that leaves me with just 8x on this side, and then I've got 6x, that's not affected, but I'm on minus 2, and I want to take away another minus 2, so that means I end up at minus 4. So now I've got too many x's on this side. I'm going to get rid of my 6x on this side and rid of my 6x on this side. So that leaves me with 2x equals minus 4. Oh dear, I've got 2 x's and I only want 1. So let's divide by 2, get our x equals minus 2. Okay, so the next one's the same. Okay, so we're going to try and make sure we get rid of these ones. Okay, so first of all, we've got minus 3 on this side. So let's add a 3 to get rid of it so it comes back to 0. So now we've got 3x equals 2x. And if I'm on minus 4 and I add 3, I would go from minus 4 to minus 3 to minus 2 to minus 1. So that's minus 1. But now I've got x's on this side, and that's not good. So I want to take away 2x, and that leaves me with just x on this side and minus 1. Okay, so there we are. Perfect. X equals minus 1. Oh, I don't know why I've done that. Sorry. Okay, so our last question says express 96 as a product of its prime factors. Hopefully we know how to do this. We have done this lots and lots of times. Okay, so let's start with 96. It's an even number, so let's do 2 times something equals 96. It is 48. Yeah, I'm not going mad. 48, okay, and then it's even again, so let's go 2 and 24. Even again, let's go 2 and 12. Oh, even again, let's go 2 and 6. Even again, let's go 2 and 3, okay? So all of my circled numbers are now prime. So let's write it out nice and neatly on the side. Okay, so let's go for blue. So we've got a 2. How many times have we got it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's going to be 2 to the power of 5. I've got a 3, so it's times 3. No power needed because I've only got the one of them. Okay, let's go for 180 then. So 180, it's an even number. So let's go 2, circle it because it's prime. And 90, still even. Let's go 2 and 45. Let's go 5, because I know that 5 goes into it, because it ends in a 5. 5 times what? Well, it's 5 times 9. 9, I'm going to do 3 times 3, because it's a square number. Perfect. All my circled numbers are now prime numbers, so I get to write it out properly. So I've got a 2. How many have I got? I've got 2, so 2 to the power of 2, or 2 squared, times I've got 3, and I've got 2 of them, so it's 3 squared, and I've got 1, 5. So there's your answer. 2 squared times 3 squared times 5. Okay, guys, so hopefully you have managed to mark yourself out of 20, and you've corrected any that you didn't quite get right as you've gone along. Please can you upload your marked and corrected sheet to show my homework, to show me that you've done it, and please make sure there is a visible number out of 20 that you've scored on the bottom there where it says score. I hope you have a wonderful summer, and I really hope I get to see some of you in September in my classes, but I'm sure I'll see you around if not. Have a great summer. Bye guys.